Hello, listeners. Hi, my name is Madhavi, and I'm so happy to have you on UppTalk. You have come to the right place if you want to learn about IT and do really cool things with your hands. We are not just another IT company when I say UppTalk. Think of us as your learning partner dedicated to helping you reach your full potential. We have top notch hands on courses to help you build your business, whether you are new to technology or want to move up in your current job. Let's look around this as our first step towards learning.
You write business object and there is a task called business object details. Now you need to enter a business object. For example, you want to create a report which should give you all worker related data, right? Business object is worker. You search for worker and click on. You have to relate to it. Business object is nothing but a table, right? You're writing here. You're giving your record name just to relate. And now this task will show you all the fields that are part of this. And it's a very huge object because a worker object has around, I think, 1000, 2000 fields. Let's see how much time it will take. Do we have any tags and all ways that we can search for particular things? You are typing like a sentence that create a task or create a report or something. We have any tags or something such. Tags or shortcuts here. Right. Shortcut, short. We'll see. These tasks as such, they don't have a shortcut like create custom report and business object and all this stuff. They are shortcuts. I will tell you once I cover this part. Remind me if I forget that. Word. Now we have opened this. If you see fields. Now this has 4 to 9 tools. Right. These are the name of the fields. Then there are a quick description of what that field is about. Field source. All the fields which are Workday delivered, meaning are part of this object by default as a factory default, are Workday delivered. All those where you are seeing calculated. Those are the fields which someone has created. And that's a separate topic which we'll cover after we do reporting. Calculated field is a topic we'll do separately. Forget about that. All the fields which are Workday delivered are here. You can see. And then on one page work, this shows around 50 values. Then you have to click on next. Here, second page and third page and on to see all the fields. Now this is this. Then comes related business object. If you see here, this related business object is nothing but the objects which are related to this particular object. Now if I have to open this part here, if you see here, worker is an object. And as part of that, cost center is also part of it, right? Cost center is again an object. The cost center becomes a related object to this worker. And you will see that here. All those. There are 567 related business objects. And the number of links here shows what is the common field. Like say company. Company. The name of the company is a common field. Right. A worker will have the company name because he's associated to a company. It's like a, I can say, foreign key kind of concept. Related business object is any object which is related to your main business object via some fields. That's when this relation happens. Then comes the data sources. There you have 35 data sources which are built on your worker business object. That means now if you have to create a report to fetch any worker related data, these are the data sources available. Now you can go and read the description and accordingly take a decision that this is something which is as per what I need, like say all retirees accesses worker as a primary business object and returns. One row per worker includes all worker that are retirees. That means if you get a requirement, these are also the delivered data sources. Data sources. You cannot create your own data source. Data source is all Workday delivered, meaning Workday has created views for you, which you can use. If there is any new thing coming up, Workday will that will be part of the release. As I told you right yesterday, oh, if there are new data sources being added, that will come up as part of those. We cannot create any data sources, any custom data sources. You have to use whatever it is. The most common one we use, as I mentioned, all active and terminated worker is something which you use because then you can put filters on top of it in a report, right? Put conditions where employee is active or terminated and all that. Clear how to get it. Now just for another shortcuts, right? Like you are asking. And then again another last tab reports. This shows all the reports on the right hand side, right? This is the reports which uses worker as their object. And then it shows what data sources they are built on, right? There are 4 to 4 standard reports. Standard reports are something which are built by Workday, right? And then you have below custom reports which are created by the consultants. These are predefined processes that we can go ahead and run directly. Correct. You can go and view. Right. Say you got a requirement, right? You got a requirement to create a report on worker with some conditions. What you do is you come to this, check the fields, come to data sources and see, and then you come to reports here and see already. Is there any report that I can reuse? I can copy. That way it becomes easy. Then this was about worker. Let's take another business object. And your question was about shortcut. One option is this long way that you write business object, come to business object details and then search. Right. Say you want, let's take a supplier which is a financial one. Right. To search a business object, what normally happens is when you type anything here, it gives you all the objects, right? It gives task reports, everything. But now you want to search only business objects. There is a shortcut which you write BO colon and then you write the name of your object. Say I want supplier. Now it will only give me the results for business object. All the business objects which has supplier in their name is now coming up. I can choose any. Now I want this one. It will open up again. It will be a similar interface. Like you saw for worker. For supplier, there are 1063 fields. There are 2235 related objects. And these are the two data sources which are available. And these are few others which are there. And then here are the reports which are there for suppliers. Now, how to know what shortcut is for what, like for business object, it was BO, right? What do? Is you just put a question mark and enter. It gives you help, right? If you put question mark and it will show you to search an employee, or in contingent worker, it's saying write worker colon and then give the name. It will search for an employee to specify ID. Just put ID and you put this the number, then it will search for any ID for business process. Search PP law. And now these are the shortcuts for all kind of objects. Right. If you want to search customer, then write customer colon and then give the name. Then it will search only customers. Right. Now we are creating reports. Once you create your report and you want to search it, the shortcut is RD. RD stands for report definition, all, and then the name. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us sales@therightupptalk.com.